Welcome to Purexy, your ultimate guide to a healthy and vibrant life. We're thrilled to have you join our community of health enthusiasts. At Purexy, we believe that health is more than just a goal, it's a way of life, where we explore the latest research, practical tips that will empower you on your wellness journey. Absolutely. It's always important to consult with a healthcare professional if you have any medical concerns or specific health conditions. Remember, the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and should not replace personalized medical advice. In this video, we'll be discussing the top 7 vitamins that can help heal your nerves naturally. Nerve health is crucial for proper functioning of our body's communication system, and these vitamins play a vital role in supporting and repairing damaged nerves. How does nutrition and vitamins play a role in nerve health and natural healing? So let's dive right in. 1. Vitamin H. Vitamin H, also known as biotin, is a vital nutrient that plays a significant role in nerve health and function. It is a water-soluble vitamin that is necessary for the proper metabolism of carbohydrates, fats, and proteins, providing the body with the energy it needs to function optimally. Biotin is essential for maintaining the myelin sheath, a protective covering around nerve fibers that facilitates efficient nerve signal transmission. By promoting the production of myelin, biotin helps to support healthy nerve function and prevent nerve damage. Additionally, biotin is involved in the synthesis of neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers that transmit signals between nerve cells. This contributes to the proper functioning of the nervous system and helps maintain optimal nerve communication. While biotin deficiencies are rare, inadequate levels of this vitamin can lead to symptoms such as numbness, tingling, and weakness in the extremities, as well as nerve-related issues like neuropathy. You can find biotin in various food sources, including eggs, nuts, seeds, whole grains, and leafy green vegetables. However, it's important to note that biotin supplementation should be done under the guidance of a healthcare professional, as excessive intake can have adverse effects. 2. Vitamin B5. Vitamin B5, also known as pantothenic acid, is a crucial nutrient that plays a vital role in supporting nerve health and promoting natural healing. This water-soluble vitamin is involved in the production of coenzyme A, a compound that is essential for energy metabolism and the synthesis of various molecules in the body. When it comes to nerve health, vitamin B5 is particularly important for the maintenance and repair of nerve tissues. It helps in the production of myelin, a protective sheath that covers nerve fibers and facilitates efficient nerve signal transmission. By supporting myelin production, vitamin B5 helps to ensure proper nerve function and prevent nerve damage. Additionally, vitamin B5 is involved in the production of neurotransmitters, which are chemical messengers that transmit signals between nerve cells. This contributes to optimal nerve communication and overall nervous system function. In terms of natural nerve healing, vitamin B5 plays a crucial role in the regeneration and repair of damaged nerves. It supports the production of new nerve cells and aids in the formation of healthy nerve tissues, promoting the restoration of normal nerve function. You can find vitamin B5 in various food sources, including meat, poultry, fish, dairy products, whole grains, and legumes. Remember, while vitamin B5 is beneficial for nerve health and natural healing, it is just one component of a comprehensive approach to nerve care. It is important to maintain a balanced diet, exercise regularly, manage stress levels. 3. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that plays a crucial role in promoting nerve health and aiding in the natural healing of damaged nerves. It works by protecting the nerves from oxidative stress and reducing inflammation, which are key factors in nerve damage and pain. Vitamin E helps maintain the structural integrity of nerve cell membranes, allowing for efficient communication between nerve cells. It also supports the production of myelin, a protective sheath around nerve fibers that enhances their function and insulation. In addition to its protective properties, vitamin E has been shown to alleviate nerve-related symptoms such as tingling, numbness, and pain. It can also improve nerve regeneration and enhance nerve conduction. Including vitamin E-rich foods in your diet, such as nuts, seeds, spinach, and avocados, can help ensure an adequate intake of this essential nutrient. However, it's important to note that excessive supplementation of vitamin E may have adverse effects. In conclusion, vitamin E is a vital nutrient for healing your nerves naturally. Its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, along with its role in maintaining nerve cell integrity, make it an essential component of a nerve-healthy diet and lifestyle. 4. Vitamin K. Vitamin K is a crucial nutrient that plays a significant role in nerve health and can contribute to natural healing of damaged nerves. Although often associated with its role in blood clotting, vitamin K also supports nerve function and maintenance. One of the key functions of vitamin K is its involvement in the synthesis of certain proteins that are essential for nerve health. These proteins help maintain the structure and integrity of nerve cells and facilitate the transmission of nerve signals. Additionally, vitamin K aids in the production of a protein called myelin, which acts as a protective sheath around nerves, enhancing their conductivity and overall function. Furthermore, vitamin K possesses antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce nerve inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which can contribute to nerve damage and pain. Including vitamin K-rich foods in your diet, such as leafy green vegetables, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and fermented foods like sauerkraut, can help ensure an adequate intake of this essential nutrient. 5. Vitamin C. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is a powerful antioxidant that plays a crucial role in supporting nerve health and aiding in the natural healing of damaged nerves. One of the primary functions of vitamin C is its involvement in the synthesis of collagen, a protein that forms the structure of nerves and provides them with strength and flexibility. Collagen is essential for maintaining the integrity of nerve tissues and ensuring their proper functioning. Vitamin C also acts as an antioxidant, protecting nerves from oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals. It helps neutralize harmful molecules that can lead to inflammation and nerve degeneration by reducing inflammation. Moreover, vitamin C is involved in the production of neurotransmitters, which are chemical messengers that transmit signals between nerve cells. Adequate levels of vitamin C are important for the proper functioning of these neurotransmitters, thus supporting optimal nerve communication. Including vitamin C-rich foods in your diet, such as citrus fruits, strawberries, kiwi, bell peppers, and leafy greens, can help ensure an adequate intake of this essential nutrient. Additionally, vitamin C supplementation may be recommended for individuals with specific nerve-related conditions. 6. Vitamin A. Vitamin A is a crucial nutrient that plays a significant role in supporting nerve health and promoting the natural healing of damaged nerves. Vitamin A is known for its role in maintaining healthy vision, but it also has important implications for nerve function. It supports the growth and maintenance of nerve cells, ensuring their proper functioning and communication. It is particularly important for the development and maintenance of the myelin sheath, a protective layer that surrounds and insulates nerve fibers, allowing for efficient nerve signal transmission. Furthermore, vitamin A exhibits antioxidant properties, which help protect nerves from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. By reducing oxidative stress, vitamin A supports the overall health and vitality of nerves. This essential vitamin can be obtained through various food sources, including liver, fish, dairy products, carrots, sweet potatoes, and leafy green vegetables. It can also be obtained from beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, found in fruits and vegetables with orange or yellow pigments. It's important to note that while vitamin A is essential for nerve health, excessive intake can be harmful. Therefore, it's recommended to obtain vitamin A from natural food sources. 7. Vitamin D. Vitamin D, often referred to as the sunshine vitamin, is a critical nutrient that plays a significant role in promoting the natural healing of nerves and maintaining their overall health. One of the primary functions of vitamin D is its involvement in calcium absorption. Calcium is properly absorbed from the digestive tract and deposited in bones and teeth. However, vitamin D also plays a crucial role in nerve function. It helps regulate the growth and development of nerve cells and supports the transmission of nerve signals throughout the body. Vitamin D has been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects, which can help reduce inflammation and promote the healing of damaged nerves. In addition, it has immunomodulatory properties, meaning it helps regulate the immune system's response, potentially reducing autoimmune reactions that can affect nerve health. The body can produce vitamin D when the skin is exposed to sunlight. However, it can also be obtained through certain foods, including fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, fortified dairy products, egg yolks, and mushrooms. In some cases, vitamin D supplements may be recommended, especially if sunlight exposure is limited or deficiency is present. It's important to note that maintaining optimal vitamin D levels is crucial for overall health, including nerve health. Regular sun exposure, a balanced diet, and, if necessary, appropriate supplementation can help ensure adequate vitamin D levels for the healing and maintenance of healthy nerves. In conclusion, incorporating these 7 blood-thinning foods into your diet can significantly contribute to your overall cardiovascular health and reduce the risk of blood clots. However, it is important to remember that these foods should be part of a balanced diet and not a replacement for medical advice. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Take care and stay healthy.